Welcome to Beauty Garage. I'm Chris Dale, and today I'm going to be detailing this 2011 Mini Cooper. It's not too dirty, so I'm going to be mostly focusing on the paint. The rag company gave me this Uno Protect polish and sealant that I'm going to use on the outside and hopefully bring new life to this water spotted paint. So let's get to it.
Begins many years ago. Find out together.
The most powerful underground espionage agent in the Western Hemisphere. I've been trying to get my hands on him for years. What's his next move?
But since you asked, I'll give it to you straight.
I think it's time for sponsor chair. Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below.
You know, Brock, you remind me of someone.
Let's see who you are behind that mask.
All right, the detail on this 2011 Mini Cooper is completed. The interior looks great, the exterior looks great, so I'm happy with it. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.